How to use Google Calendar appointment scheduling and booking feature. So hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar for appointment scheduling. First of all, you have to head over to your Google Calendar and log into it. So as you can see at the top left corner here, you can check out this create option, and from there you have to tap onto this new you can say new site like appointment scheduling. This is basically the new service of Google Calendar, and from add title here you have to add the title of it. For example, I'm gonna add PC repairing schedule. So there we go. Now here you can see this here appointment duration, that how long should each appointment last for myself, or you can say yourself. So you just have to choose the timing. It can be in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and it can even choose longer duration. But by clicking onto custom duration here, just choose your hours and minutes. Okay, for example, I'm gonna tap onto 45 minutes, and then here you can check out this general availability, that it is basically the option that when you are regularly available for appointments, you can just check it out. Like I'll be available from Monday to Friday, no, Monday to Saturday. So I'm gonna tap onto this plus icon and I'm gonna add this offer here, like my weekly availability date here. And if you're also available on Sundays, then you can tap onto this plus icon and you'll be available to that day also. Like people will be able to schedule the appointment with you on that day also. You can change the time from here, from you can change it from 8 a.m. to you can say 2 p.m. You can customize all of the things if you wish to. Also, if you can click on this site here like unavailable all day option, and by clicking here you will be available for the whole day on that period. You can change the timing of your country from here. For example, I will add Australian Eastern Time, like Sydney time. And from here we can check out the scheduling window. Just tap onto it and just choose your scheduling window. For example, available now, like if you're available at that time, you can choose available now. And if you want to add a start and end date, you can just add it here. Like you can just add start and end date from here, but for now I'm gonna cancel it up and just gonna tap onto available now. And here is the thing, that like maximum time in advance that most people can appointment schedule with you. We can just choose this here. So I'm gonna choose this at least 4 days before the appoint a book with me, and the minimum time before they can appoint a book with me is 3 hours. Like maximum they can book an appointment with me for longer than, not longer than 4 days, and minimum it's 3 hours. Now on the adjusted availability, you can just simply tap onto this option and you can just adjust your availability. You can indicate times when you are available for specific dates. For example, 24/1. You can just change this availability time according to your need, but for now I don't need this. And if you scroll and tap onto this book appointment settings, you can just tap onto this buffer time option and you can edit them. But I'm gonna keep it as it is, like on the default version, but I'm going to explain it. Like here you can just choose that maximum bookings per day. I'm going to add it to 6. Like how many appointments can you book per day, mostly like can someone or your customers, you can say, book it. And on the calendar one, you can choose your calendar color. So there we go, you can check out this color, but for me this one is perfect. And that's it. You can also explore more plans and more services, but for now this one is enough for me. You can add description like here according to your need, and then you can just tap on to save. You can tap onto booking form. You can enter first name or last name and you can do it. You can also enter your location and conferencing from here. For example, you want to connect with your customers from Google Meet video, you can just tap onto this and they will be able to connect with you using the Google Meet video conferencing. And also you can choose these options or phone calls, and on the phone call they will be able to provide their phone calls with you, and also you can choose this one like non to be specific site later, but for now Google Meet video conferencing is perfect. So that was pretty much it. Now lastly, you can save it up. So just save it up, and here you can tap onto this booking page option, or also you can share this site by copying this link. Even you can embed your or you can say Google Calendar with your website. You can just book an appointment from here. You can customize all these things, like you can embed with websites. You can copy the code and paste it to your website, and it will be able to generate, or you can say merge with your Google Calendar. So this is what my schedule looks like right here. You can check it out. So now let's say you want to provide it with your customers, or you want to share it. So at the top right corner you can easily check out this sharing option, and this is the shareable link. Now you have to send it to your customers, or you can say friends. You just have to find out their social media accounts, or you can email them. So let me go to my Gmail and then show you the example. You can also share this code to your social medias if you want, and many more places. Now let's write here so send to an account. So I'm gonna send it to my own account, so you can understand how it looks like this one. Now I'm gonna tap and paste it. Now let's send it up. Now let me show you how it look like. Let me show it to you. So there we go, and here you can check out the links. Maybe it can be in the spam. No, let it come and I will show you. Let's see. Hello, let me check out the sent subjects here. Okay, now let's go head over to my site, and let me check out all emails. Here you can see this, and this is my Google Calendar link, and this is what it looks like. And let's say someone want to book an appointment with it, you just have to simply tap at that time. For example, 7:50 p.m. you have to enter your name, email address, also you can enter phone number, and then you can book it. But for now I'm not interested to. Okay, let me add a phone number, then I'm gonna book. So that's it. Booking confirmed, you can see. So this is how you can use it up. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And here you can see the appointment has been booked on this day or this time, and you can also join with Google Meeting. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.